Well, there was a woman here with a motorcycle. This is going to be dedicated to her. So they're still here.
Or even a scooter count.
A scooter count?
In the way of me.